that plant in the back, it's a real plant. It's a real tree. That is my Ficus Benjamina. And I'm going to teach you how to propagate this little guy. Now, if you have your copy of my first ABC book of houseplants, turn to the letter W, because we're going to learn about this fun plant. It's actually called the weeping fig. An interesting fact is that this particular ficus tree can actually produce figs. In its habitat, it will never produce figs indoors because it requires a specific fig wasp to pollinate the Benjamina tree and produce these baby figs. Another interesting fact about the Benjamina, the ficus weeping fig, it actually grows aerial roots, similar to a monstera. Now, a monstera climbs up a tree. This, my friend, aerial roots, goes down. And that's what they use to create these massive Benjaminas in nature. This is a beautiful Benjamina that was gifted by a family friend. Look at this beauty. She's actually from Montreal. Now, this Benjamina lost a lot of leaves throughout this past year, and I've shared a video of me repotting this Benjamina, which I will post up, but she made a comeback and she's so beautiful. We're going to use the tip cutting method. I will get as close as possible to the thick branch. Now what you're going to want to do is remove the bottom leaves. I think I'll keep these. There we go. And I'm going to try to propagate this in water. The method I used for this particular propagation is the tip method, the tip cutting method. Now, if you're propagating with your children, you can also use honey. Now, honey will protect the wound of the plant. And so a tiny bit of honey. Now, you don't have to use honey. It might feel like a poor use of the bees' hard work. And dip it right in there.